Have you ever seen a man pretending to be an official, knocking on doors and asking people for cash?
Huh?
How can I help you?
She's already coming down.
Sir, how can I help you?
I just said she's coming down, sir.
All right, I'm gonna need you to get off my property right now, please. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Have a good day.
You have a good day. I want my money. That's the I want for that snow I did. You shouldn't have been playing games.
What snow are you talking about, buddy?
In January, y'all was not here. I did the neighbors next door and she told me to do yours.
Which neighbor?
Man, I want my money on my fucking window.
Sir, you don't get
It's
off
been a
my
hard
front door. I'll call the police right now. Fine, I'll call the police right now. Right now.
I'm gonna what you
Right
do?
now. Right now. Fine, I'll call the police wherever you want.